Are you a teacher or an online teacher that wants to pay off your mortgage or pay off debt or just earn more income? Well, then this is the video for you, because in this video, I am going to be giving you 4 easy ways to earn passive income so that you can be basically making money while you sleep. Welcome to my channel. My name is JennaLee, and in this channel, I help teachers build businesses and brands online so that you can live life on your own terms. If this content inspires you and motivates you, then make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that this is not the last time I'll be seeing you. I have added 3 of these passive income streams into my monthly and yearly income, so I'm very excited to bring to you my expertise on those, but there is one I have not yet added that I am very excited about sharing as well. So let's get into it. The first stream of income that you can add is referring. And if you haven't heard of referring before, it's if you work for an online teaching company and you refer other teachers, help them get hired onto the platform and help them market their classes. So referring is the quickest, easiest, simplest way to start earning more money. Most online teaching companies will offer a referral incentive of between $100 and $200 per teacher that they get hired onto the platform. I am currently a referring teacher or mentor, coach, whatever you call it, for OUTSCHOOL, and currently I help 2 to 3 teachers per week with their hiring process with OUTSCHOOL. Although it is not completely 100% a passive stream of income, you can definitely make it 90% passive by incorporating automation and systems. Like, for instance, if someone emails you about you becoming their coach, you can have an email template that's already made, personalize it a little at the top, and send it back to them with the steps that it will take for them to be connected with you in the system. You can also create hiring guides, videos, and other material that will help them get through the process with very little of your help. A 6-figure online teacher, Lainey Goff, just uploaded a video about this and about automating your referral system. So I highly recommend checking that out. If I can, I will link it above. The second very 100% passive stream of income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you help or advertise a product and you get a percentage of that revenue to yourself. There are many affiliate programs out there, and one of the top ones that I use, and you'll see in my description that there are affiliate links, is Amazon Associates. I also am an affiliate with International Open Academy because I took their TESOL certificate, so now I help others get that TESOL certificate and get a discount on it while also earning a percentage of that income. And the map behind me is also one of my affiliates from Nancy Taylor's shop, Hey Sunshine Shop, that you can get below, by the way. And this is also something that I earn a small percentage from as an affiliate of her shop. And if you're listening to this, you're wondering, well, how do I become an affiliate or how do I market those products? What I do is on my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, I market these products by including them in the link in my bio, or like in YouTube right now, I include them in the links in the description below. So the disclaimer here is that not everyone is going to trust you right off the bat and trust that trust to buy a product from you, but the more that you serve and show up and give free resources like what I'm doing in my YouTube channel, the more people are going to understand that you're there to support them and your products will be beneficial to them as well. So there's a little bit of give and take to the process. Another passive stream of income to add is YouTube. On YouTube, you can advertise products that you offer, you can advertise services that you offer. As I mentioned before in the first tip, many of my referrals actually find me through YouTube, which is me earning income from being on YouTube. I also utilize YouTube for those affiliate marketing links, which in turn helps me to gain more of an audience to actually be able to advertise those links. And if you have a course, a coaching service, you are a tutor who offers tutoring service, you can advertise all of these through YouTube, which in turn will help you to get more money and an additional stream of income. But when I talk about the passive side of YouTube, I'm specifically referring to monetizing your YouTube channel. And currently my YouTube channel is not yet monetized, but when you reach 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, I believe that is right, then you will get monetized. And monetization is basically the longer the viewers watch your videos and the more ads they watch, then the more income you will receive from YouTube. The point of this is that YouTube wants people to stay on their platform. So if you are helping people to stay on the YouTube platform, YouTube is going to reward you with money. Now, this is a lot of a long-term process on YouTube, but the fact that this is even an availability for you, you should definitely take this chance. I am right now, and I know it's long-term, but I know that it will pay off in the end to get completely passive income only from serving my audience and creating videos for them. And the last stream of income that I'm going to talk about today is creating digital resources. There are 3 top platforms to create and sell digital resources. The first one is Teachers Pay Teachers. So if you are a teacher, you have probably been on this site, but you not only can buy from Teachers Pay Teachers, you can buy lesson plans, you can buy digital slides, you can buy digital worksheets and print them off, but you can also sell products and be a teacher that sells those products on the platform. Teachers are so creative, and I believe that a lot of teachers really like the idea that you are buying from teachers just like you instead of random people. So that is a platform that you can sell digital resources. And another platform you can sell digital resources and products is through Boom Learning. On their website, you can find Boom cards, and these are basically cards that are interactive that help students to review, practice, or test specific skills. The best part of these cards are that they're interactive and so fun for the students to play with. You can make these on skills like phonics, algebra, really anything that would help teachers in their classroom to support their students in learning. And the last platform I'm going to talk about today to sell digital products is Etsy. On Etsy, you can sell really any digital product, much like Teachers Pay Teachers, where you can sell worksheets, you can sell lesson plans and templates, you can even sell props like ESL props, right? So these are all just great platforms to get started with selling digital products. Although it's not completely passive right now, once you create that product and establish yourself on the platform, it will become passive income down the line. The best part about digital products versus physical products, which I did not mention in this video, is that they are very cost effective, easy to make, low cost, right? So that is why I mentioned digital products versus physical products in this video. If you currently make passive income or have an additional stream of income on top of being a teacher, can you let us know in the comments below? It is just so fun to see other teachers doing all these things, being teacherpreneurs, and we would love to see what you do to earn some extra income during the months. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.